It's payday, fellas! I said it's fucking payday, motherfucker!
It's your boy, I'm Captain Sam. We pulling up
But it's deep
to the
as hell.
store.
Damn.
It's deep out here. Not for real though. We trying to get some ammo so we can go to the range
This is deep.
and shoot our 300 blackout. Shoot our 45 ACP. He gonna shoot his little 5.56. His custom build that he made. I'm gonna shoot my 300 blackout Radical Firearms.
Custom.
Very affordable gun for, you know, a common regular person. You want to get an affordable AR. Radical Firearms is the way to go.
Nah.
And that's just for shooting. It's not
It's
not great quality, but it's something to shoot. That's all.
Reliable.
Yeah, it's reliable for the money. So we're finna go in here. Y'all finna check this out. We're finna check this out together. Y'all stay tuned.
Yeah.
Open the door.
You don't take no cameras.
Who, me? Alright guys, we just made it to the range. We're gonna see what it do. Got my baby. She coming out. And my brother. Pro Graders Outdoors. Yeah, so we also got a family out here that's out here shooting. So make sure you stay responsible always. But we won't get into this video, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're just getting set up. Right here I got my stuff. I mean Fiocchi ammo. We're on the blackout, 220 FPS, 125 grain, ballistic tip. He's over here setting up his little tripod for his little video. I'm just gonna give y'all a little peek of what I got here. So this is what we're looking at right now. Has a 4x16 by 40 optic on it. And it's cheap, but it's been doing pretty well. For those of y'all who haven't seen my truck, that's the truck, that's the baby. Ooh, yeah. So we finna get into this thing. I think my girl just want to go pee. I don't know where she at, but I'll say too. All right, guys, I forgot how to tell you about the little 45-95 high point. You know, the rifle that nobody really likes. Nobody really likes this gun. And we're gonna shoot it today. We're gonna see how it does. I'm actually gonna see what it does at 100 yards. I have a 2 MOA red dot scope on it, and we're gonna see what it does. But this is the rifle, huh? All right, guys. So we're setting up. I got the 45-95 over there set up. He's setting up his camera. So this is what we're shooting. All right, so this is what we're shooting right here. It's a Fiocchi ballistic tip, 300 blackout. It shoots to 2,200 feet per second, and he's gonna be showing some green tips, 5.56. Everybody knows what that is. But we're gonna get loaded up here. No test fire. I'm gonna try to get this rifle sighted that's around 20-22 yards, and just so that it's doing a ballistics on it, so it's around 200 yards. It's shooting even. But yeah, stay tuned because we did something. And we also got a family right there. Early hunting, shooting some 22s. That's the way to do it. That's the way to start them off. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys. So we're out here, Radical Firearms. 300 blackout, shooting some Fiocchi, 2,200 feet per second, 125 grain bullets. We're gonna try to get this sighted in at 22 to 20 yards. I mean, and just so that it's even out to like 200 yards. I already did the ballistics on it, trajectory chart. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you a little bang for your buck type gun, shooting a little 10 clip. So I'll go ahead and watch, because I'm not even up right here on this side. So I also have these Hornady black ammunition, 250 feet per second, 110 grain bullets. They also shoot ballistic tips. But first, what I'm going to try to sight it in with is the Fiocchis, and I have a 4x16 about 40 optic on here, and we're gonna see how it does. I mean, this is a little cheap scope from Amazon, so it shouldn't do much, but we'll see. We're gonna see what it does.
Can I be sitting here?
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, show high, we're gonna move it down, actually. We don't have that much energy, the sight weight, so we're gonna
Alright,
move
so
it down.
actually,
Should be good.
alright guys,
To the,
locked and loaded.
to the left, actually I'm showing look to the right.
Alright guys, so we're cleared. We're on safe. So it looks like I'm actually hitting pretty center, but I'm hitting high right. So what I'm gonna do, those with 4 shots, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to adjust my rifle, make some adjustments, and then I'm gonna shoot again and see where I'm at. So, all right. So I'm gonna,
This will go high enough.
I just adjusted, and I'm going to reacquire my target. I'm gonna put my round in, chamber around, we're locked and loaded, we're ready to go. We're gonna see what this does here
You can see
at 20 yards,
first 2
which
shots
actually gives me a
right.
200-yard zero
off the
for this
cupboard.
round.
And I moved it up. Those are my second 2 shots right there. It's at 25 yards. So it's gonna go up.
All right. So,
Wow, 2.
we're safe, on safe. So it looks like I adjusted a little bit too far left, but it is dead center and a little bit too far to the left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it back to the right, and we should be Gucci for the next couple of shots. And then I have my zero. So what we're gonna do before I do that is I'm gonna go down here, I'm gonna show you what I was shooting at. And we're gonna look and evaluate. We're gonna look and we're gonna evaluate my shot. So he's about to keep shooting. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all keep on watching him, watching what he's doing. But he has a nice little ACOG on there. I think it's a 2.5x10 magnify by 30. So decent. We got my little helper.
Candy.
Hey. Alright. So I think almost where I need to be. It should be pretty close. My gun was already semi-sighted in because I had sighted in before. But I'm going to show you where I was shooting and how I was shooting. And so, let me turn the camera around. Obviously that one was off, but then I actually found my group and found my rhythm. My first shot was that shot, was this bottom shot right here. And then these are 3 shots right here. As you can tell, they're all together, so, but there's just a little bit to the left, as these were a little bit to the right, so I over adjusted and I recalculated. And now you can see, now we're gonna aim back at the 9 and see if we can demolish that 9 and empty that out before I sight about 45 ACP.
We're ready.
So y'all stay tuned. He's out here doing his, and the family over there. So yeah. No, wait a little bit. I don't want them to. I don't want to shoot with them not having ear protection in, because she's over here playing with the rangefinder. Because these guns are loud and they can hurt your hearing, huh?
I was looking at it backwards.
But y'all stay tuned. All right, so he loading his up. He loading it back up. He about to shoot, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this back up, and we gonna get it back to shooting. So
I want to shoot.
Y'all stay tuned for this. We finna do this, and then we finna do the 45 ACP, and that's the one you don't want to miss. So.
Up and to the left. So first time moving up to the left, probably about
hit what you shoot.
5. No, it ain't 5 or 6. I say 4 clicks.
Is it recording? Is it recording?
Did I go? I'm gonna go 5.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go 6.
All right.
So 6.
So I got 4 rounds.
to the left.
4 rounds in here, and we're gonna see
So
if I have it zeroed. Should be loaded. We're gonna get this thing rolling. Switch the selector saved off. Let's see what it does.
talk about shooting.
Last shot bolt hold open. She's shooting well, shooting well. Looks like she sighted in.
1/4 inch grouping at 25 yards.
What?
Yeah, a 1/4 inch grouping. Look at my target.
Look at my target.
I'm putting.
Look at that 9.
You guys put good groupings too.
Look, I got probably less than a 1/4 inch grouping over there.
That's pretty good.
I'm telling you right now, it's sighted in. Now that it's sighted in, I'm gonna let her shoot it a little bit. Actually,
I'm just gonna wait and move it back
Actually-
50 yards. And
before I let her shoot it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sight
I'm
in.
just gonna wait until we sight in at 50.
I'm gonna sight in this 45.
50. Look the way it sits. AR and little 45.
I forgot I gotta take it off safe to charge it, and then we're locked and loaded. So let's see where she's shooting at.
There's still a price tag on it.
And this thing still has the price tag on it, because you know and I still got. So I'm all safe. I'm locked and loaded.
Out here.
And I'm aiming. Let's see. This ain't. I have no idea where that shot at. I'm shooting high. Actually, I'm not shooting high.
Where you shooting at, Reek?
Am I hit anything?
Let me see. You have the binoculars?
I don't know. I'm all safe. Drop the mag. Oh shit.
Are you shooting
Clear the
high?
weapon. Drop the mag. Put it on safe.
Are you shooting high?
I don't know. I think I'm shooting. I know I'm shooting high. I don't know how far I'm shooting high.
Let this barrel cool down. Are you on the black?
I was aiming for the top one.
At 9?
9. Yeah.
So where you got one low?
Yeah, cause I only have 4 in the middle.
In the orange.
Yeah, I only have 4 in the orange at first. I had 3 on the top right, and then that one on the left bottom is the 3 in the blackout. All the rest of them, shots is the 45 ACP, but I'm shooting at the 9. I'll shoot at the 9. I like that. I'm gonna give you one of these. I like that little thing. Huh? All right, babe. So go ahead and lock and load. Push it up as hard as you can. Oh, that's good. All right, take it. For this gun, you take it off safe. That's to release the clip. Push it back up.
Oh.
All right, we good. Yeah. All right, this is the safe right here. Do what you can do with this finger. That's what this finger's for. So push it up. Push it up. This finger's to hold it right.
Okay.
Push it down. It's not ready yet. You gotta pull this back.
Is that all the way back?
Yeah, should be good.
Okay.
Alright, so now you locked and loaded. Now you off safe. You're ready to fire.
Okay.
Now shoot the target.
I was just shooting without the shoot. I don't think I want to.
Dude, it hurts so.
Hold on a bit, hold on.
6, right?
Yeah, go ahead,
Dude,
go
it
ahead,
hurts
go ahead.
so bad.
Go ahead.
You scared me.
Go ahead. I'll make sure it was forward.
My legs hurt.
Fire away and get a feel for it.
good citizen over here.
Definitely shooting low. Shooting straight though.
Well, that's your case. That's not my case.
Light her up. Just go ahead, let her up. Just go ahead and let it loose.
How many are there?
10 rounds.
Hey, you forgot your.
Shoot so you can't shoot. This should be probably about 2 inches.
Did I do bad?
The berm is probably like, what you call it?
Hold this for me.
Oh, you better shoot.
Yeah.
Mine?
I'm gonna shoot mine.
Oh.
I didn't close.
It jam.
In the jam.
There you go.
It's locked. Load it. Ready?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh yeah, this is a bad spot to sit. That don't hit me dead in my chest. In a cycle?
Yeah, it's cycle.
Huh? Your mag is low. Your mag is low. Push your mag all the way up. Did it jam?
Yeah.
Push it back. You gotta, yeah. Pull it back. That mag is just sticky, bro.
Alright.
And it pulls the shit flusher than that.
Just shoot it, man. Maybe it's in line. Yeah, maybe.
You know where you're shooting at?
Not a clue. I think I'm shooting hella high.
Let me see. Go ahead.
Yeah, I am.
You better not hit my GoPro down there.
What is this? It's
No.
Alright, so I was using my Black Hornady 2300 feet per second rounds, and they were shooting really high. I didn't sight them with that, I sighted them with the Fiocchis. So now I got the Fiocchis on here. We're gonna see what they see at 100 yards where it's hitting. It should be hitting at about 2 3/8 inches
It's probably gonna shoot higher than that.
high.
Now I can't remember the order.
Yeah, maybe we'll see.
Just don't shoot my GoPro down there.
I think.
Oh, did I learn my lesson to stand right there?
Maybe shooting higher than that. Hold on, let me see.
Okay. Where's he shooting at?
Hella high.
Are you shooting in a burn?
Were you shooting for this time? You see the
Shoot again?
center? The big center hole?
You might be shooting a little high.
That's what I'm gonna go.
Hey, go ahead. I mean, you're
It's
out.
shooting like 5 inches high.
Yeah. So you see it?
Yeah.
All right.
Like, not even more than 5 inches. Hold that. Hold that.
I'm gonna see on this.
Not the big one in the middle. No? High and left.
All those things on the cardboard up there is my hits.
Let me see.
Alright, so what I did for the last 2 shots,
I told you we was gonna shoot a little higher. Shoot.
shoot about 5 inches high.
Babe.
What's up? What's up?
Oh, I don't know.
Alright, so bottom loaded. Shooting at 100 yards. Let's see what we do.
I wish this thing had a rubber pad. Oh, it does.
Shoot a left target. You see what I'm shooting?
Yeah.
Where am I shooting?
Left target.
Yeah.
You're shooting 2 inches high left, same place. Yeah.
See that pink dot?
Alright.
Is that right?
Still shooting high and to the left. Oh, we gonna move it down.
Yeah, there's a pink dot.
Yeah. No.
I just think it's no joke. You wanna shoot it?
No, I don't. I have no desire. So I brought the 243. I have no desire to shoot that one.
Man, that's amazing. Though. That's an 82-year-old rifle.
Yeah, dude. A free. Oh.
Alright,
No,
so-
I hate 30-06s. Yeah, man.
So we moved it.
Shoots shooting hella high.
Scope.
Yep.
See it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot it there. Really?
Yeah. Probably 4 inches. 5 inches.
You see what I'm shooting, Reek?
I hear you. Watch this.
What are you shooting at, Reek?
Look down there.
Oh, battery.
Oh shit.
Shoot again. I think that was high again. Yeah. High, you're shooting
that, Reek?
higher now.
Oh, you see yours on the target.
There we go.
Try the other way.
Test up, you can't see.
If you're lefty, why don't
Still shooting high.
No, I kept opening it and then kept shooting.
I don't know.
You can't. Let me see. You know what I'm
Back to
shooting?
where it was. I'm gonna shoot
Hmm?
the paper.
Let me see what I'm shooting.
You're shooting high left.
Shooting the paper.
Still?
Higher left.
For real?
Yes.
Let me see.
Look where I'm shooting at.
If I'm in the car, do I still need to have
Do a
this on?
headshot.
I mean, if you want to have it on.
But like,
Should be good.
without it in the car?
Do one more time. Hey, there you go. Get the pink back.
I shot big.
In the car on left?
Yeah, it should be.
Did you get it? I can't see now.
There's a cock.
What? How? You see it's high left?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I moved it down. Let me see.
All right, guys. So I'm shooting about.
Shoot
I
again?
think that should be good. I just adjusted it
I think it's shooting
at
way
100
high
yards. About an inch off. So we're gonna see.
Might not be
It seems
holding
like
zero
I'm shooting a
anymore.
little higher. I don't know how I adjusted that last one.
Let's see where we're at.
I'm about to be done with this box.
Come on. Hey, just shoot that golf ball again. Hi, dude. Kentucky windage it, man. Just shoot 6 inches below it. Almost hit it.
I'm not shooting that, Reek.
2 inches high left. You're getting some more groups in there though. It looks decent.
You look.
Right.
Now we're into our next box.
Try just cranking it down a little more. No, I think at the angle, it makes it look higher than what it is.
Oh.
Because it's, yeah, slowing it up.
You're still shooting high.
Yeah. So just crank it down like 3 more, 4 more.
It won't go anymore.
Just push your thumb.
Oh, there it goes. I don't know how many went. I think it went like 2 million.
5 or 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on. I jerked it on that one. Hold on.
Really? Well, this isn't adjusting.
But just know that you're shooting. Here, let's see here. I want to see something.
Wait, go for the paper.
So now
See where I'm shooting? Okay, well, I'm gonna just go back to the golf ball.
Oh, you're even, but you're on both sides.
Well, I mean, I can see it.
I'm on. What do you mean?
Oh.
I'm shooting
Alright, golf ball.
it.
Okay, try. Alright, so you know you have that break? I'm using, so like, use this. Use the end of this.
You said what? On what, Rick?
Yeah, you know, there's a break in your crosshair. So
I got one on each
use
side.
the top, like just
Oh, okay, I got
Yeah,
you.
the tip of the top
What do you
break.
mean?
Yeah.
One on each side.
I saw one on to the left and one
So
to the
100
right.
yards tip of the top break.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Oh, let me check that again.
Alrighty.
I know.
Hey, they're waiting, Ty.
Huh?
They're waiting.
Oh, that way? I'm good.
Yeah. Yep, good. Yep. Packing up.
It's 7 rounds.
Alright, guys. Hit it down here. Oh, oh. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna mark where I'm hitting at with these. Yeah. So, not looking too good right now. It's really wet down here. We're going at 100 yards. And we're gonna look and see. I'm having one on both sides. Told you on both sides. These are my last 2 shots right here.
That's good. I can't.
So I need to be a little bit closer, hold a little bit steadier. Let's see. Hold up. All right. So as y'all seen, we decided to get it a little bit more dialed in. See what we're doing here. Try the Fiocchi's. Go a little bit low. I'm gonna dial it up. And we're gonna see how we're shooting. So, all right, guys. So I'm looking at all of them in the orange. What 4-inch circle? We have down there. So I think I'm gonna end that here. I don't have enough rounds. I have about 6 more Hornady rounds. A lot of Fiocchi's. I didn't really have enough money to. I was on a budget today, so I haven't enough money to too much ammunition. But it's sighted in for
on the target.
good amount. I mean, I only need to bring it down a little bit, and it should be fine. So that's what I did. But after this, we're gonna go down here and check these targets and see what's happening down there. Yeah, bro. But look, he's about to keep shooting. I have these 6 rounds I'm gonna keep for when I go down next week down in the mountains, and we're gonna go down and try to shoot some big old bucks, man. Go down in the mountains out here in Virginia. That's where you can shoot rifle at. You can't shoot rifle where you usually hunt at. You can only shoot shotgun. And so this is why I'm sighting my rifle today, in order to go hunt down there in the mountains and actually try to put something down. Because for that you really need a rifle. So that's what I'm bringing out there. That's what I'm gonna do. If I can get down there and kill me some deer, man, that'd be a good thing to get on camera. Get down here and kill some big old bucks in Virginia with the AR. So I got my girl in the car. I'm gonna wrap this video up real quick. I'm gonna go down here, show y'all where I'm shooting at, where I was hitting at last, and I'm over here dropping ammo. Let me pick this up. Put this back. This is my Hornady Black. I need to shoot one of these to see where it's hitting at with this, but we're gonna go over this first. So you got an ammo manufacturing with the Radical Firearms upper. I mean, it's a 15-inch rail guard with the standard, slide stock. Standard grips. The grips aren't all that, but you have a ambidextrous selector switch, meaning you can switch it on both sides. You can be left-handed and right-handed with this gun. Have no problem moving that selector switch. And then it has a, I think, 1x7 twist barrel. I'm not sure how that does with 300 blackout. I need to go look that up, but for me, it's doing pretty well. I mean, it's holding groups. In this windy conditions, about 10-mile-an-hour winds at about 100 yards, it's holding about 2-3 inch groups. So I'm happy with that. I mean, it's 300 blackout. It's not much, but yeah. So that's a quick overview of the gun. I got a 4x16 by 50 scope on here. It's really cheap. I think this scope was like $50 on Amazon or something. I mean, this is really an affordable, cheap weapon, and it's a weapon that I will continue to use as long as I can, as long as it doesn't break, as long as it doesn't do anything wrong. Kai, need to hurry up. These people are shooting down there, and they're trying to shoot, but he's taking forever. But yeah, so make sure you check out this weapon if you want something cheap. I bought it at primaryarms.com. Sent it to an FFL dealer. It was really quick and really easy. So if you want to do something like that, make sure you go and check that out. I'm not sponsored by any of these brands. Wish I was, but yeah, I would go out and check Primary Arms out for some cheap, affordable weapons. And I guess we're gonna go down here and check out these targets. So like I said, that's his last shot. I'm guessing.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot again and see.
These are my last 3 shots. So I'm thinking I just gotta bring it down, you know, an inch, half an inch, inch 3/4 inch probably. And I'll be straight. Those are my last 3 shots. Just had about an inch hold at 100 yards. So, and on a windy day. Can't tell, it's about 10-mile-an-hour wind out here, kind of steady wind out here. So yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. About $400 gun, $50 scope. Holding at that distance, it probably could hold better if I was a better shot, but I ain't all that yet.
Are you still using that? Huh? Let me still win your black one.
Just use one of yours.
I have no more.
Use the orange one.
Yeah, but the orange is going to orange.
It's not good. Alright.
Brother, spot me.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna spot him. Actually, I'm gonna shoot 1 shot first before I spot him. Go ahead. Place y'all down.
Going crazy down there.
Put in 1 round in the chamber. We're locked and loaded, baby. Oh, I had that on fire. Never do that. I always have it on safe. Alright, y'all, so he was kicking that dirt up right in front of it. And you can see it right here. Alright, y'all, we finna light this thing up real quick. I'm loading up the 45 ACP high point. You already know. I'm loading it up. And I'm about to let it loose. So we both about to let it loose. See, y'all gotta stay tuned. Cause you already know.
These are reloads, so
I don't know what he's doing over there. He know. Hey, look, if you wanna watch some real content, follow my channel, subscribe to my channel. Don't subscribe to his channel because he don't know what he's talking about. No, I'm playing. Go subscribe to all our channels.
fire away.
Follow us, FRB. Got some new stuff coming. Y'all just wait up. Alright, so we're taking this baby right here. What we gonna do? Put it right here. Put it right here. Oh snap! I ain't pressed the button. I ain't pressed the button. Ooh. Got it set up with the bipod.
Make sure they're tight. Now shoot.
I got 10 rounds. Just waiting on her. Oh snap! What I put them 10 rounds? Just waiting on her.
These were hitting the dirt.
Y'all just wait up on this. You ready to get this?
We got. Is he coming down? He's still. What is it?
1440.
All right, let's go. We good? They got the air pro on.
Alright, y'all. This is it. Oh,
All right, so how you want to do this?
Let me get y'all right. Me and Kai. Oh. Me and Kai at the same time. Y'all gonna hear this blast. I'm gonna blast him.
So we got I am Captain Sam. And you already know who I am. Professional guys outdoor.
You finna blast this joint.
So,
Are you ready?
locked and loaded.
I'm not even locked and loaded. I'm over here talking about. Gotta have some rounds in the gun first, baby. You ready?
There we go.
We locked and loaded, baby.
Hey, y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the FRB movement, to I Am Captain Sam, and to all my brothers, baby. Because this is how we do it. Ready?